Alright, welcome to the Apply Your Knowledge project for Word Module 2 for CAPL 1023. Let's go ahead and get this puppy started. So I'm going to go ahead and, with Word open, I'm going to go ahead and open my data files. The project we're going to start with, the start file for this is in our data files. So 1023 data files module 2, and we want WD2-1. Alright, so this is the shopping safely notes. I'm going to go ahead and view mine in page width so you can see it a little bit better. Alright, so the first thing, if you're following along at the home game, we are on page 264 and 265 of module 2. So that's 2-64, 2-65. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and rename this. So file save as. And I'm going to go ahead and browse. I keep mine in my assignments folder. You can keep yours wherever you want. And we are going to call this one SCWD2-Shopping Safely Online Notes. So Shopping Safely Online Notes. That's a mouthful. Alright, so the first thing it wants us to do, step 2, is check the spelling and grammar. So I'm going to go ahead and Control H to go to the beginning of my documents, or Control Home, and then run my spell check. So uppercase, I'm going to change that. Such as your high school, I'm going to change that. After entering a card account number online, your card account numbers do not reveal your card account. And again, we can, alright, okay, alright, so I suppose we could have used the find and replace for that account that they keep misspelling. Right, display the ruler if necessary. My ruler is up. Use the ruler to indent the first line of the first paragraph. Alright, so we're gonna so I'm gonna go ahead and select my first line indent to a 1/2 inch. Alright, and then the next one says select the entire document. So I'm going to do Control A. It says change the line spacing to 2 double space. So I'm going to come over here, change it to double space, and then I'm also going to remove space after paragraph. With the entire document still selected, remove the space before paragraph as well. So remove spacing before and after the paragraph. Alright, now next step is find all occurrences of the word password find what password. There are 4 results of password. Password notes, create a strong password, develop a long complex password, change your password often. Alright, so step 6 is use the find and replace dialog box to replace all occurrences of the word card with the word credit card. So let's do replace, and we're going to use the word card with the word credit card. There were 5 replacements made on that one. Alright. The next step says show the navigation pane and use the navigation pane, that's right over here, to find the word often. Close the navigation pane, use Word's thesaurus to change the word often to the word frequently. Alright, close that. I am going to where did it go? Oh, change the word often. Okay. And let's go ahead and change it to frequently. Again, I just right-clicked on it and used the synonym finder as opposed to the thesaurus. It's the same difference. And then it says switch to the header so that you may edit it. Let's double-click up here in the header. It says insert the word online after the word safely so that it reads shopping safely online notes. In the second line of the header, insert a page number using the plain number with no formatting, one space after the word page. So I'm just going to click the space, page number, current position, plain number. Alright, if requested by your instructor, enter your first and last name on a separate line below that. We do not have to do that. We were not asked. Step 11, change the alignment of all lines of text in the header from left to right aligned. So we're going to select all the lines. I'm just going to do a Control R. You can do right align or Control R, it doesn't make a difference. And then close the header and footer. Alright. Step 12. At the end of the password notes paragraph, go to the end of that one, type visit www.cengage.com for more information. Period. So visit www.cengage.com for more information. After you type the web address, continue typing to accept the automatic correction of the web address to a hyperlink format. Use the Autocorrect options button and then undo the automatic hyperlink correction. You know what? I'm just going to remove the hyperlink. Alright. Otherwise, if we did right-click here, you don't want us to undo? You know what? I don't know how it wanted you to do that. But like I said, I'm just going to keep it like it is. 13, at the end of the fourth sentence in the password notes paragraph, alright, before the period, insert a citation using the existing source. Alright, so that's at the members' names right over there. By Blake Barton. Again, so at the end of the fourth sentence of the password paragraph, insert a citation using the existing source for the article by Blake Barton. Edit the citation to include the page numbers. So I'm bringing my insertion point right before there, going to my references, insert a citation, Blake Barton, there it is. I'm going to click on it and edit the citation and include the page numbers 43-47. Okay. Alright. Step 14, at the end of the last sentence in the credit card notes paragraph, before the period, insert a citation placeholder called Joyce. Insert citation. Come on. To a new source. Alright, and it is a website. The author is Andrea D. Joyce. The author is Andrea D. Joyce. The name of the web page is Credit Card Safety. The year accessed is 2021. The month accessed is October, OCT period. The day accessed is 1, and the medium is web. Alright. Oh. And let me go ahead right away and edit my source because I don't want Joyce with a capital J or the capital O. Alright. Delete the source for the author named Anastasia Maria Pappas. So let's go to our Manage Sources, and we are going to click right here and delete that source. Step 16, press Enter at the end of the document. Apply the normal style to the blank line at the end of the document. Let's go to the normal style. Insert a bibliography using the references format in the bibliography gallery. So we're going to go to our references, bibliography, and then references. Save the document with the same file name. Alright, and then submit the modified document as shown. So that's it. Save it, and you are done.